make this video. I just hiked up this big old hill. My steps are getting completed, but this is the last time I'm climbing up this hill. I don't always do it, but this morning it feels so good. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. The air is fresh. It's a good exercise. It was a good little hike. I got my little backpack on here. And yeah, you guys, nothing chased me in the woods. But it's just a small little breeze that we had to come through. But I'm happy everybody's coming today. And when I tell you everybody, for this project, I'll be recording it off and on. But yes, this is a major day today. I'm really excited. And you guys, it's gonna be popping in this hill today. It's gonna be popping. Everybody's gonna be here. Everybody in this house is gonna be completed. It's the baby house. It's a small house. It's like, these are the steps that you have to take if you're gonna build in. Unless you're really rich, then you don't have to worry about nothing, but you need to be here. That's what they keep telling me, and I'm here, baby. Okay, this is 5 o'clock in the morning. Is that ducks? Well, it's hard to tell. And we're on the top at the Queen Easter Villa. I gave it a name. Queen Easter Villa. And you guys, this is the first step. Anybody that build in Africa, they already know what time this is going to be. Especially when the mountain is so high with these here gravel and sand and filler and more sand. You already know what time this project going to be. If you're building Ghana, you already know. I don't have to tell you. Anyway, this is kind of how they start. You need a little container to hold all your, cement and stuff, and then you have a little house. You live in the little house. That's the little house. The little house, you live in it because you got to watch the big house come up. So when the big house is coming up, you can be on site comfortably, and then the little house will turn into like whatever. It could turn into a lot of little things. It could be a little. Here's my steps. We're gonna finish those steps. Oh, it's just been so much, but we got a lot of work to do today, everybody. When I tell you everybody's coming, but the little house and the container and yeah, the little house is just a start. Oh, I was saying that you could put like it could be a security quarters. It could be for a lot of things. You could turn that house into Airbnb, or you could turn it into your security house. More than likely, I have a personal assistant. He's really good. Sep, I want to show everybody you. I'm like, this is Sep. Huh? Oh, in my little pouch. Sep, I want everybody to see you. I'm telling everybody this is Sep. Sep, I'm recording you. He said, who? Sep is everything. Sep is with me 100%, 24/7. Sep has a wife and 2 kids, 2 daughters. Huh, Sep? Say yes. Anyway, Sep is my bodyguard. He's my personal assistant. He don't let nothing get past me. So Sep is helping me do this project. The key's right here, Sep. I'm gonna get it. Okay, this is how the plumber brought. Y'all, this is how the plumber brought the supplies. Good morning. Oh, they do it. They make it work. They brought it. That's too funny. They will make it work, honey. They stuck the pipes in the window. This the plumber? Yeah. I met you yesterday? Yesterday I see him. Oh. Where's the plumber I met yesterday? Is that him? Oh, he had a hat on. Okay. Okay. Just getting all this stuff out. I mean, they put it in this little truck. today? Today I pay you, right? Yeah, I want to pay you for the supply. But, okay, I think you have to talk to Steven. Okay. Steven. So he's going to give me the price of his workmanship? His workmanship. The plumber.
Yeah, I'll see.
Ask him so I can add it.
Okay.
I need to know how much.
Okay.
And so the termites can't eat through it. It's for termites. Okay. Those nasty little things. I know I'm gonna move back because I don't want to get it in my lungs. The wind is blowing the other way. That is a carpenter. You have to treat the wood. This is the plumber. Okay. And then the plumbing will connect to this?
Exactly.
Okay.
The plumbing work.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Including the materials.
The material.
Yeah. So,
what is the price? Do he know right now? How much? 1,000 CDs?
So there. I say I should go down.
Oh.
Yeah.
He has to do.
Yeah, man. 5 cement. Nah. Baskets.
This is where the toilet and the septic tank is going to be.
Okay.
And they're going to put just a hole in I have to buy a plastic something?
Yeah. You're going to buy the baskets.
A basket, okay.
And something called fiber.
Fiber?
Yeah.
And then the water will run from the toilet and then it'll go down in the ground and it will leave the earth.
Yeah.
I think. I understand it's a septic tank, so this is where the septic tank is going to go for this house.
Small one.
Yeah, this is just for this house.
Exactly.
And then,
The big one,
oh, the big house is going to be
make the manhole.
or manhole. Okay.
Or you want this one, so you can do so.
Yeah. No. We'll just do another one for the big one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Big.
not big one to use this one. No.
No.
I'm talking about when you need this one.
Right.
Maybe you want this one. So 5 for the using.
Okay. For the toilet.
For the toilet.
Yes.
And this one you stand for the bathroom.
For the shower. Can you move it over a little bit? Yeah, a little bit because look at that wall. Just a little bit. Where's the toilet? So the toilet is going to go here? Right here?
Yes.
Okay.
I think we need a little partition for dividing both toilet and then.
No, I'm going to put a shower. It's okay. Yeah. I got a shower rod.
Okay.
It comes from this square, that square, and it's a curtain. And then it's going to be they're going to build the floor up there.
So I should transfer this one to this.
A little bit, yeah. Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, because the wall is too close. Okay. Yeah, those two. Yeah. Yeah, that's for the sink. Yeah. Okay. Hot and cold water. And cold water. Okay. Yeah. And cold water. Okay. And that's for the hot water heater. So the solar guy is coming. Hopefully he'll be here soon and he can talk to you about the solar hookup because I'm going to have solar. So this is the inside of a little tiny home. We're measuring for the water. They're going to do the roof today, the ceiling, the electricity. It's going to be a lot going on. So he just was marking for the plumbing. That's not how they do it in the United States, y'all. They don't waste all their time. Just mark it and go with it. They're digging for the water line. So there's gonna be a lot of people here today. They're digging for the water. That's gonna be my water line. And they're spraying for, they have to spray the wood first and they got to treat it for at the top for the termites. And then we have down here, it's happening, we're measuring because the bulldozer is coming real soon. He gonna move that one down there?
You.
He's gonna move it?
The one of the
Oh. Okay. So it don't be so steep going down there, huh? That's the only thing. Because we'll have to put steps down here, huh? To come to that level. Yeah, but he's gonna build on the outside. He gotta come on the outside over here. Yeah. So if this is not, yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be the road, but he. I thought my pillar was more over there. My pillar is over there, ain't it by the tree? Okay. 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 This is the electrician guy. They brought their stuff in. Taxi as well. That's my electrician. So everybody's working. Good morning. That's my electrician. You have everything? Okay. These guys are digging for water. These guys are... The solar man is on his way. I'm gonna have solar. Let's go and see. Oh yeah, they're running out. They should have. What they want, water? Yeah. They want water? Huh? That's for the water for plumbing.
Yeah, because I'll send you the estimates.
Okay, you'll send me the
Yes,
estimate.
I'll send you the estimate, the quantity of the battery and the quantity of the panel and with the prices.
Okay.
And I'll make it total under.
Okay.
Then you know that when I'm coming, you are getting this item.
Okay. And this is gonna be for my. This is going on top. And you do the installation?
Yeah, you bring the
You will.
to come and install
You okay? You will install. Okay.
installation and everything.
All right. Okay. All right. So this is my solar person. What's your name? John. Okay. So how soon will you give me my How soon will you give me my estimate? Today? Okay. Did you give him? And the electricity man, are you starting today? Okay. You bought everything?
Okay, it's left with the wires and the socket and stuff.
Okay.
I can bring them.
Okay, but
The wire, it has now become my duty. So when something gets lost,
okay, I know what you're saying. When you're ready to install it, it'll be there. Yeah, I understand that part.
that's why I think the socket and stuff will come.
Okay. So now we got the electrician guy.
I think we fix this door.
Yeah, that door is going over there. I know, that's what I want.
I'm just looking at direction.
Oh, okay. Okay. The door should open in. When you said the direction. Yeah. Yeah.
So is this the front door?
Yeah, it's the front door.
No, I mean the front side, the front face of the door.
I can't tell really. Can you tell? It looks like it doesn't matter. Okay, so, okay. 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 And then you, well, yeah, when you give me the estimate and everything. Okay. All right, thank you for coming. Are you in Cape Coast? You come all the way from Accra? Whoa! All the way from Accra. He's the solar man. Okay, wait. He's calling.
Later on the group one.
Okay, we got the bulldozer here. Something's going on. These guys is doing the water. Is that wood in the way? Is the wood in the way? Down. What are you saying?
They're discussing about the dip.
Close the second window.
Yeah, close it. Yeah, close it. What am I filming? I'm not even paying attention. We got a little marker. You understand? Get on down, bulldozers. Get on down. These guys are trying to hear him get that water line dug before he come back. Move that earth. Move it. This is really interesting. The dirt changed colors. Steven, the dirt turned colors. Is okay?
Yeah.
It's good dirt? Okay. That's a hard dirt. Really hard.